Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and this was in case it's like this video. Here's thumbs up. Today we're gonna be making the ceviche de soya. So first I have the soya here boiled with water and garlic. So now we're gonna put this in first. Make sure you drain it. I'm gonna go with some tomato, then cilantro, okay, now we're gonna do some cut up onions. Gonna do a cucumber, and some chiles. Okay, got some jalapeno chili, and now we're gonna add some limes. Okay, now I'm done adding the lime. So now we're gonna finish mixing up. Mix it all up. Okay. You guys can add some salt. Now mix. Guys, when you eat it, you guys can eat them with crackers or some chips, and you can add some ketchup to it or eat it with like salsa valentina. I'll leave it down in the comments if it's good or not. Bye, see you guys in my next video.